Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dario here with another Options and Play video update. Uh, Got asked this question a few times today, and I feel like it was, a lot of people were wondering why not do a video, right? Because I did a video talking about my thoughts on AMD, the breakout, kind of measured move and targets, etc., right? So obviously, just a fantastic swing trade over the last month or so. It was pre-earnings and then post-earnings, and then this parabolic move went well past what I was expecting, right? But I mean, sometimes when things get momentum, it can go a lot further than you anticipate, right? So having closed like a bunch into like the recent surge, the question is, and what people were wondering is where do you reload, right? So first off, using the July move of last year as kind of like a benchmark, right? So you can see that over the time period in July, it had a similarly parabolic move, right? And then if you use its performance after that as kind of like an indication, the levels that you really are going to want to focus on, and this is going to play into what I'm about to say, is the green line, which is the 8 EMA. So it's the green line, which is the 8 EMA, and then the pink line, which is the 20 simple. Okay, so with that in mind, right, what I am looking at is for either a fast retracement into a 105 area, 107 to 105, and that to me is about a 50% retracement from 90, right, from where the 90 to 120. 50% retracement is what, around 105, which coincidentally is also close to where the 8 EMA is, right? So if you get a fast drop into the 105, 106, 107 area, that's going to be a back test of the 8 EMA. It's also going to be a 50% retracement. So like that might be a level that interests me. Also, and this isn't necessarily like a price point, but it's a look. So if the stock pulls back and say consolidates for a few days, maybe like a week and a half, give or take, right? So if it chops around, builds a higher base, I don't know if it's above 108, 110, 112, wherever, right? So it's going to be more of a look. It's like, steady, digestion, consolidate, start to build a higher support level, and then like that is going to be something maybe we can look at to re-up a bull swing trade idea. Okay, so it's either or, right? Like you might get like a fast dip, and then you might get a consolidation. But those are kind of how those are levels, and those are like the what I'm looking for to potentially reload a bull swing on this. In terms of time frame, it's really going to depend on how it looks, what the option pricing is. But I feel like lately we've been going with some like longer term options. And I might just stick with that because, even though you pay for a little bit extra time, if it does tighten up and if it does take a little bit longer to move this next wave, then at least you have that extra time as kind of like a cushion against it, right? So those are my thoughts. But I mean, it's been a fantastic stock over the past month, and I'm hoping to give some more opportunities, all right? So, if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. Have a wonderful night, stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.